Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a sport that you only have watched before but have not played yourself. You should say what it is. When did you watch it? Where did you watch it? Whom did you watch it with? And explain how did you feel about it. Ice hockey is one sport that I have seen many times, but have never participated in. This thrilling and fast-paced game is particularly well-liked in the USA, Canada, and European countries. Two teams battle to score goals by using hockey sticks to hit a little rubber puck into the opposing team's net on an ice rink. I've always considered watching ice hockey to be fascinating because it demands a great level of skating ability and physical power. I went to watch ice hockey for the first time during the Winter Olympics approximately 2 years ago. I was watching it on television at home. Although I had heard a lot about the sport, I had never witnessed a complete match. I made the decision to watch that day's match between two of the world's best teams, Canada and the USA. I became totally engrossed in the match right away, and it was intense. My cousin, who is an avid sports lover, and I went to see the game. As we watched, he gave me an explanation of the regulations because he was already well knowledgeable about ice hockey. He gave me information about the various positions, player tactics, and foul penalties. I found the experience even more delightful because of his excitement, and I began to take an interest in the sport. The first time I watched ice hockey, it was a thrilling experience. The players' quickness, dexterity, and cooperation astounded me. It was amazing how they managed the puck while skating so quickly on the rink. With the crowd cheering enthusiastically and the commentators adding to the match's excitement, the game had a lot of energy. Players regularly collided with one another as they attempted to control the puck, which further highlighted the sport's rough nature. I've seen a lot of ice hockey games since then, and I've developed a passion for the game. But since I'm not particularly good at ice skating and ice hockey isn't really popular in my country, I've never played it myself. Nevertheless, if I ever have the chance, I would really like to give it a try. To sum up, I've watched ice hockey a lot but have never participated in it. It's an action-packed, thrilling game that demands a lot of skill and endurance. I really enjoy watching it even if I haven't played it yet, and I hope to do so in the future. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.